can see the activity number 3. Activity 3. In this activity, first of all, read it. When the rats were playing, they heard loud shouts of elephant. This sentence talk about an action which took place when another action was in progress. That means कि ऐसी कोई बात जब की जा रही है तब कोई दूसरा काम भी हो रहा था. That means कि past continuous tense. If any sentence is having in past continuous tense, so in the second sentence we will use simple past tense. Okay, you can see when Sumit was doing his homework. Here was doing indicate to the past continuous. So his mother called him for dinner. And so in the second sentence we will use the past form or the second form of the verb. In the next sentence you can see when we were playing football. Here were playing is also past continuous tense. Mohan hurt his leg. Hurt is also the second form of hurt. Okay, so remaining of the following sentence you have to complete like that. When Monu was returning from school, here was returning is past continuous, so he dash a 10 rupees note under a tree. Here the verb is find and the second form of find is found. Okay, when I was doing my homework, my friend dashed to meet me. Here the second form of come is came. When the students were making a noise, the teacher dashed them in a group. Engaged the second form of engaged. Here you are notice कि there are the first sentence is in the past continuous tense, so in the second sentence we will use the simple past tense. And then the simple past tense we will use the second form of the verb. When Meenu was feeling hungry, her mother cooked halwa for her. The second form of cooked is the cook. When my father was taking a bath, his mobile rang. The second form of ring is rang. When Nidhi was learning her lesson, her younger brother brought a glass of water for her. Here the second form of bring is brought. Okay students, so I hope it is clear कि whenever first sentence is in the past continuous tense, then in the second sentence we will use simple past tense or the second form of the verb. Okay, you have to do in the book. Thank you. Now the activity time. Here you can see the activity number 1. It is true false, so you have to tell. The elephants were very hungry. They were looking for food. Is it right? No. They were thirsty. They were going to drink water. The elephant destroyed the homes of the rat because they disliked them. Is it right? No. They like them, but their homes were destroyed by elephant by mistake. Okay. Next, the king of rats promised to help the elephants when needed. Yes, it is right. So it is true. The elephants were shouting for help. चिल्लाए थे elephant help के लिए. Yes, when they caught in the trap, they were shouting for help. So it is also true. So number 1 is false, 2 is also false, 3 is true, and 4 is true. Now turn the page. Here you can see the exercise number, activity number 2, or it is on the page number 133. Here is some fill in the blanks. You have to choose the correct word from the box. Mahesh is always dash to play cricket. Mahesh is always ready to play cricket. He dash finished his homework and went out to play quickly. quickly finished his homework and went out to play. Yesterday I saw a frog in the dash behind my house. I saw a frog in the pond. My father dashed to take me to the fair today. My father promised to take me to the fair today. The box was caught in a dash trap. Suman dash her mistake, said sorry to Geeta. Suman realized her mistake and said sorry to Geeta. I saw a herd of sheep grazing in the field. I saw a herd of sheep because group of some pet animals जो होते हैं उनके ग्रुप को या हम क्या कह सकते हैं, हर्ड कह सकते हैं. The lion was about to pounce on the zebra, but the zebra sensed the dash and ran away. The zebra sensed the danger. Okay, now come down. Here you can see some homophones. Homophones are the words which have same pronunciation but their meaning are different. So you can see Mr. Jain has daughter and a son. Here which son you will choose, S-O-N or S-U-N? Yes, you will choose S-O-N because S-U-N son means beta, सूरज, and S-O-N son is beta. तो Mr. Jain के एक बेटा और एक बेटी है. There are 7 days in a week. Here you can see W-E-A-K week or W-E-E-K week. W-E-A-K week means होता है कमजोर और W-E-E-K week means सप्ताह. So here you will choose W-E-E-K. I couldn't hear what the teacher said. Here. To meaning of here, H-E-R-E here means यहाँ और H-E-A-R here means सुनना. So I couldn't hear. यहाँ कौन सा hear आएगा? H-E-A-R सुनना. What the teacher said, यानी मैं नहीं सुन पाई कि टीचर ने क्या कहा. The lion ran after a deer. D-E-E-R deer, D-E-R deer. Here you will choose D-E-E-R because D-E-A-R deer means प्यारा और lion deer यानी हिरण का पीछा करा. My younger sister is 2 years old. Here T-W-O-2 and T-O-O-2. T-O-O-2 means भी यानी वह भी and T-W-O-2 means दो. तो my younger sister is 2 years old. वो 2 साल की है. Okay students, now you can see some more here. Raju will buy a new cap from the fair. Here B-U-Y buy. Buy means खरीदना. Write your name in bold letters. Write here which write you will choose. R-I-T-E write. W-R-I-T-E write you will choose और R-I-G-H-T write means होता है correct. Sunil knows how to ride a bicycle. Knows here K-N-O-W-S knows means जानना. India won the final match. Won W-O-N won यानी जीत गई. Carrot is a root vegetable. Here R-O-O-T root यानी जड़ की वेजिटेबल है एक ऐसी और R-O-U-T-E root means होता है root means रास्ता. So there are 2 rows of plant in my garden. Rows R-O-W-S rows यानी कि कतार यानी कि लाइन. Okay. So you have to do all this exercise only in the book in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.